Whenever anyone feels a bit of pain, they immediately reach for painkillers such as paracetamol or ibuprofen. However, these medications can have adverse side effects and are only a temporary solution. There are better natural alternatives for relieving pain which work without any side effects and are highly effective as well. One of these natural remedies is turmeric. The root is said to be 10 times more powerful than ibuprofen and can easily relieve inflammation, headaches, knee pain, and other aches. The root is much more efficient than any other drug and is widely used against muscle pain and inflammation in some countries around the world. A study featured in the prestigious British Lancet journal highlights the significant toxicity of ibuprofen, likening it to Vioxx, an anti-inflammatory medication withdrawn from the market due to its harmful effects on cardiovascular health. In contrast, turmeric and its potent component curcumin boast polyphenols known for their robust anti-inflammatory properties, offering superior pain relief and inflammation management compared to ibuprofen. Another study that examined more than 100 people suffering from osteoarthritis showed that turmeric is just as effective as most painkillers. The study examined people divided into two groups. One was given 800 milligrams of ibuprofen for their pain, while the other was given 2,000 milligrams of turmeric. A study, detailed in the esteemed British Lancet journal, delved into the comparative effects of ibuprofen and turmeric over a 6-week treatment period. Throughout this duration, participants' pain levels during routine daily activities were meticulously monitored. The findings unveiled a notable discrepancy. Individuals in the turmeric group exhibited substantially reduced pain levels compared to those in the ibuprofen cohort. Furthermore, participants in the ibuprofen group reported adverse effects such as headaches and heartburn, contrasting starkly with the absence of any side effects experienced by those in the turmeric group. During the entire treatment period, these results underscore the potential of turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, as a safer and more efficacious alternative to ibuprofen for managing pain and inflammation. Here's how to prepare turmeric tea that can treat almost any kind of pain. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons organic honey, 1 lemon. Preparation: bring the water to a boil, then add the turmeric and simmer the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. If you're using fresh grated turmeric, simmer for 15 to 25 minutes. Afterwards, leave the tea to cool down, strain it, and add the honey and lemon juice. Enjoy a few cups of turmeric tea every day and you will eliminate the pain you're facing.